He lay in the shade, laughing at dawn, while his village toiled under the burning sun. They called him worthless, useless, a waste, yet inside, a flame quietly flickered. Because sometimes the laziest boy hides a secret talent no one dares to imagine. What if that lazy spark became a wildfire of greatness, changing his destiny forever? Stay with me. This story of rise from obscurity to legend will shake what you believe. In a remote mountain hamlet lived Arlo, a boy known for yawns more than deeds, always avoiding chores, always lounging by the hearth. While others plowed fields and fetched water, Arlo whined about dust and sun burning his skin, choosing leisure over labor. Villagers shook their heads, called him lazy, worthless, a warning tale whispered to sleepy children across hearths. Arlo smiled as insults flew, caring only for shadows and cool breeze, convinced work was for fools stronger than him. Years slipped by, seasons changed, but Arlo's reputation stayed. He was the lazy boy, and dreams of greatness seemed foreign. One harsh winter, a silent disease struck his village. Crops failed, elderly weakened, and hope froze under snow and fear. His younger sister fell ill, fever raging while the village healer ran out of herbs and whispered prayers. Arlo watched sick faces around him. Something stirred, a fierce guilt warming his heart colder than any flame. He vowed quietly, "If I remain idle, that fever may claim more lives. I must act, even if I hate effort." Next dawn, Arlo dragged himself out. He collected ice from frozen springs, melted snow on wood fires, carried buckets uphill. Neighbors gaped. The lazy boy scrubbing floors, hauling water, juggling tasks under biting cold and broken heart. Hope flickered in sick eyes, smiles returned. The warmth, not heat, cured bodies, but kindness and sweat alike. With each chore done, Arlo felt something awaken, a strange pride in hardship, purpose beyond comfort and idle days. That winter, fever eased, the village healed, and whispers changed, from lazy boy to quietly capable lad. Arlo didn't stop. Inspired by his sister's smile and the village's relief, he began crafting. His hands remembered tasks. He carved wood, sharpened stones, forged tools for fields. Simple things others ignored, he made them better than before. Farmers, once mockers, now sought Arlo's handiwork. He streamlined plows, fashioned easier sickle handles, reduced sweat and waste. From obsolete boy to utility maker, the hamlet buzzed. Word of his clever tools traveled beyond mountains like wildfire. Traveling traders witnessed Arlo's tools and carried tales to distant towns. Lazy boy made hard labor easier. Soon, towns hired him. Money flowed slowly but surely. Arlo's laziness had masked a spark of innovation long hidden. He rose not by brute strength, but by clever resourcefulness. He proved lazy boy's story can evolve into legendary success journey. I remember first seeing The Lazy Boy Who Became a Legend inspirational English story trending. It lit a fire inside me. It reminded me every story holds a turning point. For me, that winter was the pivot, from recluse to rising craftsman. With each passing month, Arlo's workshop grew. Wooden plows, sturdy carts, tools of comfort. He multiplied productivity across valleys. Villages paid fair coin. Arlo bought books, studied simple mechanics and basic science, sharpening mind as he had sharpened stones. He wrote a small manual titled "Build Smart, Not Hard," showing others his methods. Simple machines, efficient tools, less heavy toil. Farm after farm adopted his designs. Harvests increased, fields prospered. Farmers called him changemaker, not just the former idle boy. Today, Arlo's designs stretch across kingdoms. Carts that glide, plows that yield harvests, lives changed forever. So, if you ever feel lazy or aimless, remember, purpose can awaken hidden strength. The lazy boy story can become legend. Arlo's journey proves two things. Setbacks can spark comebacks. Motivation can fuel hidden potential, changing lives forever. People remembered not the lazy boy yawning under trees, but the craftsman who uplifted thousands. That is true transformation. This tale of rise from comfort into purpose and legacy reminds us greatness often hides under the cloak of idleness.